Hey there! Ever wondered if it's possible to become a millionaire in just 1 year? Well, let me break it down for you. It's ambitious, but not impossible. Here's a step-by-step guide to turning that dream into reality. First things first, mindset is everything. You need to think big and believe in your potential. Start by setting clear, specific financial goals. Write them down, visualize them, and then make a plan. Next, identify your skills and leverage them. Whether it's coding, writing, designing, or any other talent, find what you're good at and capitalize on it. Look for high-demand niches where your skills can shine. The idea is to create multiple streams of income. Speaking of income streams, let's talk about side hustles. Start a blog, sell products online, offer freelance services, or invest in stocks and real estate. Diversifying your income sources is key. Don't rely on just one job or one income stream. Now, networking, this is crucial. Surround yourself with like-minded, ambitious people. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with mentors. Learning from others' experiences can save you time and mistakes. Another big one is smart investing. Put your money to work for you. Learn about the stock market, index funds, and other investment opportunities. The compound interest can be a game changer. Remember, it's not just about earning money, it's about growing it. Cut unnecessary expenses and live below your means. It's not the most glamorous advice, but it's effective. Track your spending, eliminate debts, and save aggressively. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested. Lastly, never stop learning. Read books, take courses, and stay updated with market trends. The more you know, the more opportunities you'll spot. So there you have it, a roadmap to becoming a millionaire in 1 year. Remember, it's about smart work, not just hard work. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep hustling.